This has to be the absolute first. No. Is that too much to ask? It's insane. Completely forgotten. So expensive. You're gonna make me cry. I think the comment section sometimes is a lot more valuable than my video. Hola gente! What is up my badass angels? Welcome to our little bubble in the internet where we test out new hair care for the very first time on camera, and then we decide together what works and what doesn't. So I basically purchase tons of new hair care every single week and test it out so that you don't have to. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And now, yes, as you can probably guess by the title, today is the turn of, drums please, KERASTASE Aura Botanica or something like that. I hope I'm not butchering the name. But wait, this is not just another KERASTASE hair mask. I think it is fair to say I might have tested almost a dozen KERASTASE hair masks. This has to be the absolute first 100% silicone-free, or so they say, formulation that I've seen by their brand. 98% natural ingredients. This is actually recommended to me by one of you guys in the comment section. I keep this very large list of product requests and slowly but surely I go through each and every one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, it's like a metal red wine type of color. I think we could say it is burgundy. It looks very earthy in a way, so I can see the botanical connection. Who else thinks that our hair cannot smell weird or strong? It's like, no. Especially expensive hair care. I want to feel a halo of seduction when someone smells my hair. Is that too much to ask? Of course it is. Anyways, let's see how this smells. It doesn't smell like a lot, actually. And I kind of like that. You know, it's neutral. It might smell slightly herbal. This is thick. It's insane. Look at that. Like, this is the test. This is the test of thickness. I like that. That texture definitely speaks to me. It looks like a mixture of pate and cream cheese. Yeah, that image is not very glamorous at all. So everything sounds amazing, but let's just go ahead and apply this on my hair and see if this botanical Aura Botanica hair mask by KERASTASE actually does something for my hair that justifies the very high price point. So as always, my hair is already shampooed. I'm going to slightly dampen it a little bit. Alright, we need to cut that out. By the way, can you tell how lovely this continuous mist spray is? So I'm gonna clip my hair once again up. Look at that. And this will enable me to work section by section. As always, I never do any research on the products you guys suggest in the comment section. I just purchase the ones that I can get a hold of and then just let them surprise me on camera. And according to the instructions, we need to apply only a quarter size in the mid lengths. Like, this is even a lot, right? I don't think that's going to happen. There went the quarter size amount. There's no way if you have long and like lots of hair that you're going to be able to just apply a quarter size. And while I'm doing this section by section, I'm kind of checking out my growth. I've been trying to leave my natural hair base for a while and just do very minimal highlighting, especially with the quarantine and everything. I thought it was a good idea to kind of let my hair breathe and rest a little bit from bleach. And also, I have highlighted my hair since like I was 14 years old. I had completely forgotten how my natural hair, oops, that went into the roots a little bit, what my natural hair color looked like. And by the way, every single product used throughout any of my videos is always listed in the description box below for your convenience, and it also has affiliate links. Thank you so much for your support if you decide to use any of those links. And now, yes, I'm gonna set the timer to 5 minutes, which is of course the recommended leaving time. There's a whole bunch of products under the Aura Botanica umbrella, including shampoo, conditioner, beach wave spray. Well, that sounds interesting. Serums, and there's a few other things. I get this vibe from their site that some of the Botanica Aura products are actually going to be discontinued or something. Many of them, not the hair mask, many of the other products within this family are on sale. Oh, and before we go into the ingredients, I wanted to let you know that I just learned that there is complimentary shipping on all orders through 4/30. Last time I checked, I was actually testing out the KERASTASE Genesis. Oh my god. I'm gonna link it right here so that I don't spoil it for you guys. So from the last time I visited their site, they seem to have extended the complimentary shipping, which is great, KERASTASE, because your products are already so expensive. I feel like complaining a little bit about KERASTASE prices. I have loved some of their products more than others, but I have like very consistently hated their price point. I'm liking this. It is not only 100% silicone free. For a change, it's nice to be able to reach out to a hair mask and not have to worry about, ooh, when was it the last time that it used this or this other kind of more insoluble type of silicone, which may be a little bit, you know, tricky, especially some people really hate silicone. So if that is you, then we'll see. Maybe this could be an alternative. I don't know. So back to what I was saying, sorry for the rambling, but aside from being 100% silicone free, it is also paraben free, and it promises to nourish dry hair and tame frizzy hair. Okay, I'll tell you something, KERASTASE. If you can tame my wild, frizzy, very difficult, unruly hair with 0 silicones, like, you're gonna make me cry. Okay, let's go into the key ingredients list, which is kind of the highlighted and marketed ingredients. Amazonian Brazil nut oil. Oh my god, completely off topic, but Brazilian nuts are just so yummy. It says here it is a good source of hair nourishment that moisturizes and protects gorgeous hair. So if I don't have gorgeous hair, then it doesn't moisturize and protect it, I guess, for gorgeous hair. I don't know. The other one is the Thai rice bran oil. Come on, I'm on a diet here in the middle of a quarantine. All of this is making me feel very hungry all of a sudden. Okay, let's check out the full ingredients list. So we have water, alcohol, and there's seed oil and sunflower seed oil, dimethylamine, which sounds a lot like dimethicone, but definitely is not dimethicone, something else. Rice bran oil, glycerin, bertholletia or bertholletia, excelsa seed oil, cetic esters, those I have no idea what they are. Caramel, orange peel oil. I wonder if the orange peel oil is actually for that kind of citric acid component that is so trendy these days. And so it seems like the Brazilian nut oil and the rice bran oil are kind of in the middle of the formulation, so I guess in quite decent proportions. Alright, time to rinse this off very thoroughly, and then I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so if tangles are a big issue for you, as they are for me, and I feel like they should be for most people, this doesn't do quite an amazing job. So if I do this, you know, it's not the worst, not this hair mask's forte or strong point, and put it in your computer, in your algorithm to make the final decision. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle using my beloved Tangle Teaser. Okay, so as you guys can see, my hair just started air drying, at least on my very difficult, wavy, extra frizzy hair. I don't see any frizz control coming from this mask, but then again, I usually blow dry my hair, so I guess I should do that and wait till the end to honestly give you my final thoughts and conclusions. That said, if you are looking for extreme frizz control on air dried hair, so that means without going through any styling process, any heat tools whatsoever, as you can see, this does a very poor job on that, and that is one of its main claims other than being silicone free. I'm gonna give it a 2 out of 10 in frizz control. Let's see if blow drying actually changes my mind. Now that said, it is really important that I mentioned that both my Elhim 3900 Professional Healthy Ionic Blow Dryer and my also professional Olivia Garden Nanotherapy brush. This is the ceramic plus ion technology. Both of these together actually do a really good job as far as frizz control. So they should help, and you should see my hair a lot better after blow dry. Now that said, I know my hair once blow dried, and I'm going to be able to tell.
I'm feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows.
So, I have a few things to say. But before I say another word, please do take a look at the final result and take the poll right here in the eye at the corner and let me know, what do you think this product did to my hair? So I'm just gonna go ahead and say I'm not $62 wowed by this hair mask. I do think it did a fairly good job. I like the end result, and I definitely like that it is silicone free and all natural. I do appreciate Kerastase's effort in doing something different, so I do want to support that. Very lightweight, doesn't feel like a half product on like it happened to me with the Garnier coconut one. Considering that frizz control was one of its main core promises, I don't think it gave me enough on that department. In the end, and with some blow drying, the frizz control did kind of appear, although a lot has to be credited, like I said before, to my professional hair dryer and my brush. Both are amazing, and I wholeheartedly recommend those. Of course, they're going to be linked in the description box below. So will I continue using it and reaching out to this hair mask until I run out of it? Yes, I mean, I don't see why not. For my very difficult hair type, it definitely did not give me enough. I know that some of you guys recommended this to me. I understand the value of having a silicone-free, paraben-free formulation, and I'm not a good judge of whether the ingredients, the natural ingredients that are in here, are actually very expensive, and in some way they justify the price point. I hate giving negative reviews. I guess just for the effort of doing something that's healthier, silicone-free, paraben-free, all natural, I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10. This hair mask definitely is not worth another $62 for me, so I wouldn't repurchase. Only 2 weeks ago, more or less, I tested out the new Kerastase Genesis. Now that one does have silicones, mind you, but I mean, that one and my hair, they just agreed instantly. Top 5 the minute I tested it out. Maybe top 3 even, but I just want to kind of wait till the end of 2020 to give you my new top 5. So if you are on a silicone-free routine and you really want an alternative to this, I can tell you my favorite silicone-free hair mask that's actually cheaper is the L'Oreal GLYCEROL NUTRIFIER. Again, I'm gonna link that video as well right here, and the link to that product is going to be again in the description box below. And that is a wrap, my badass angels. I hope this video helped you make the right purchase decision for you and you alone. Don't let anyone tell you what you need or what you must or mustn't buy, not even myself. I'm just here to show you guys on camera what I experienced, and hopefully you draw your own conclusions. If you've had a different experience with this same hair mask, please, it is very important and extra valuable that you leave your review in the comment section below. And if you can, please do specify your hair type and your main hair concern so that we can understand better what this product is best for. I think the comment section sometimes is a lot more valuable than my video. You get different opinions from different people. Thank you for being here. No matter what comes your way, stay brave. Remember, you are a badass with the heart of an angel. I will catch up with you guys again on my next one. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.